morning everyone. Today I gonna translate how was your day today in English. In Tagalog, kamusta ang araw mo ngayon? In Italian, come stata la tua giornata oggi? Again, how was your day today in English? Kamusta ang araw mo ngayon? In Tagalog, come stata la tua giornata oggi? In Italian. And then, 4 operations in mathematics. 4 na operasyoni sa matematika in Tagalog. 4 operasyoni in matematika in Italian. The first one is addition in English. In Tagalog, karagdagan. In Italian, additione. Subtraction in English. In Tagalog, pagbabawas. In Italian, sottrazione. Multiplications in English. In Tagalog, pagpaparami. In Italian, multiplicazione. Again, multiplication in English. In Tagalog, pagpaparami. In Italian, multiplicazione. And then, the last one is division in English. In Tagalog, pagbabahagi. In Italian, divisione. Again, division in English. In Tagalog, pagbabahagi. In Italian, divisione. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. E grazie mille. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Goodbye.